Hello, Pocoyo.
Hi.
Oh, what's that you have in your hand?
Camera.
Oh, what a nice camera. How fabulous. Now, what else can you take a picture of with a camera? There must be something else you could take a photograph of. Ah, so you found something. Do any of you know what Pocoyo is going to take a photo of?
Apple. It's an apple.
Yes, an apple. And that's a very nice thing to take a photo of.
Apple. Camera?
You're right, Pocoyo. The camera's not here anymore. I wonder what could have happened to it.
Photo?
Look, Pocoyo. It's a photograph of a pink foot. I think the person who took the camera has left us a clue. They're playing a game with us. If we can guess who took the picture, then that person will have the camera. I wonder whose pink foot it could be, Pocoyo.
Lula.
There she is. Hello, Lula. Good dog, Lula. Does that look like the same foot to you, Pocoyo? What do all of you think? Is it the same foot?
No.
No, I don't think so either. It's a mystery. Pocoyo, look at that! It's another photograph. Well, now, this is getting more interesting.
Wheels.
Yes, those are wheels, all right. But I wonder who...
Pato.
Good guess, Pocoyo. Pato's riding his skateboard.
Wheels.
What do you think, Pocoyo? Is it the same? What about all of you? Do you think it's the same?
No, it's not the same.
Oh, dear. So Lula hasn't got the camera and Pato hasn't got it.
Backpack. Blue backpack.
Indeed, and I seem to recall seeing a blue backpack quite like that somewhere before. Do you remember who has a blue backpack like that, Pocoyo? Oh, don't give up, Pocoyo. Maybe if we look at the photographs again, we can work it out. Let's see. A pink foot, a scooter, and a blue backpack. Now, who do we know who has a pink foot, rides a scooter, and has a blue backpack? Can you help, Pocoyo? Which one of his friends do you think has the camera?
Ellie! Ellie!
Yes, I do believe you're right, Pocoyo. I think Ellie has been leaving us these clues and that she has the camera. Shall we go and find her?
Ellie!
Hooray for Pocoyo! You found out who had the camera. Good for you. Pocoyo, Ellie was only playing. Oh, a photo of everyone together. What a good idea. Everyone smile. Now that's what I call a picture. Bye. See you soon. Hello, Pocoyo.
Hi!
Oh, look, Pocoyo. It's someone's birthday today. Do you know whose birthday it is, Pocoyo? So? Oh, I see. You want us to work it out for ourselves, like a guessing game. So, can any of you guess whose birthday it is?
Ellie! It's Ellie's birthday!
Yes, you're right. Today is Ellie's birthday, and she's having a party later. It's very exciting, but Pocoyo, have you got Ellie a birthday present yet?
No.
Well, what are you going to get?
Make one!
Oh, I see. What a great idea. You're going to make a present for Ellie. But, Pocoyo, what are you going to make? Do you know? So? Oh, I see. It's another guessing game. We have to work it out. What fun. Well, the party begins very soon, so I suppose you'd better get started, Pocoyo. Pocoyo! What are you doing here, Pocoyo? Oh, I see. You're going to make the present for Ellie out of all these lovely shapes. That's a good idea. I wonder what it's going to be. Oh, that's a good start. A lovely big pink ball. Oh, that's wonderful, Pocoyo. But what is it? I see. You haven't finished yet. Oh, I can't wait to find out what it is. This is so exciting. Are those going to go on your present too? Oh, I wonder what Pocoyo's present is going to be. Is it time to guess now? Ah, let me see. It's big, it's pink, and it's a present for Ellie, so it needs to be something Ellie really likes. An Ellie for Ellie! But do any of you see something missing? Now, what bit of Ellie is it that's missing, Pocoyo? Can any of you help Pocoyo work it out? What's missing from Ellie?
Ellie's trunk.
Yes, that's it. Well done. Ellie needs a trunk. So put it on then, Pocoyo. Do you know where it goes? Pocoyo, do you think that's really the right place for Ellie's trunk? Oh, I see you're playing. What fun. Oh, that does look funny, Pocoyo. But where does Ellie's trunk really go? Perfect. Well, isn't that marvellous? Pocoyo has made a wonderful Ellie for Ellie. And just in time for her party. Come on, it's time to go.
Happy birthday, Ellie. You're welcome.
And it was from us too, you know. You're very, very welcome, Ellie. It was our pleasure.
Happy birthday, Ellie.
Let's all say happy birthday too.
Happy birthday, Ellie.
Oh, look. Pocoyo, Pato and Ellie are building a tower. They're taking turns putting the blocks on. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Ooh, looks like it might topple over. Sorry about that. Well done, Pocoyo. Now it's Pato's turn. Pocoyo's had a turn, Pato's had his turn. So whose turn is it now? Can any of you tell Pocoyo whose turn it is now?
Ellie! It's Ellie's turn.
Oh dear, that was quite a sneeze, wasn't it? That's right. Let's try to build the tower again. Good job, Pato. Now it's Ellie's turn.
Ellie?
Oh dear, I think she's going to blow. Whoops, oh my. Ah, yes. Let's try again. There we go. Now, Pato.
Pato! Pato!
I wonder where Pato is. Can you see him, Pocoyo?
Pato!
You found him. Good work. Trying again, are we? Come on, Pato.
Pato!
Oh dear, poor Pato. Is he all right? Oh, Pato, there's no need to quack like that. But, Pato, Ellie isn't sneezing on purpose. People and elephants can't help it when they sneeze. It just happens sometimes. I think Pocoyo wants to help. That's very nice of you, Pocoyo. I don't think Ellie is feeling too well. So maybe Ellie doesn't feel like playing at all. Well, let's think. Where should she be if she isn't feeling all that well? Can any of you tell Pocoyo where Ellie could go to feel better?
Go to bed!
Yes, Ellie should go to bed. Resting is a very good thing to do if you have a cold. There. Maybe Ellie will feel a bit better if she has a little sleep. Yes, now you can build your tower without any sneezes knocking it over. Oh dear, I think Pato may have caught Ellie's cold. Watch out! Oh well, bye-bye for now. Hey, there's Lula. Hello, Lula. Oh, I wonder what she's looking at. She's very excited, isn't she? Oh, look, a bubble. That's what Lula was waiting for. Careful, Lula, you might burst it. Oh, dear. Bubbles are really easy to burst, Lula. It's above you, Lula. Quick! You know, where there are bubbles, there has to be someone making bubbles. Do any of you know who's making those bubbles?
Pocoyo!
Oh, yes. Look, it's Pocoyo. And Ellie, too. Hello, Pocoyo. Hello, Ellie.
Hi!
So it was you making the bubbles.
Bubbles!
Can you show us how, Pocoyo? Right, so you put the wand into the bubble juice, then blow it to make the bubbles. That's great!
Bubbles!
Ellie wants a go at making bubbles now. Oh, aren't bubbles fabulous? a whopper! Well done, Ellie.
Bubbles.
Ha ha! Look at that! Oh, now, just a minute, you two. Oh, dear. But we were all having such fun. Look at poor Lula. She still wants to play with bubbles. Oh, can't you make some bubbles for Lula, Pocoyo?
No bubbles.
Well, what about you, Ellie? Just one bubble for Lula. I think Lula misses the bubbles. It's too bad there aren't any more bubbles, isn't it? It's no use. Pocoyo can't make Lula any bubbles. And neither can Ellie. Now, let's see. Pocoyo can't make bubbles without the bubble juice. And Ellie can't make bubbles without the wand. Can any of you help Pocoyo and Ellie work out how to make more bubbles?
Share.
Share? Now that's a great idea. Now that's more like it.
Bubbles.
Good for you, Pocoyo and Ellie. You're sharing and making bubbles for Lula together. It seems it's even more fun to play with friends when you share. Just ask Lula. Hooray for Pocoyo and for Ellie